Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn our 6th standard history's first chapter, the Indian subcontinent and history. In the chapter, we will discuss about geographical condition and the course of history, geographical features of India and the Indian subcontinent. In the 5th standard, we saw at some length that there is a close relationship between man and his environment. We saw how the changes in the lifestyle of the early man and his technology were related to the changes in his surrounding. We also review the history of human civilization from the Stone Age to the agricultural civilization that flourished on the banks of river. History is a coherent account of the significant past events in the progress of human culture. History is coherent account of the significant past events in the progress of human culture. Time, place, society and individuals are the four major pillars of history. Major means main pillars. We cannot write history without them. Means without that time, place, society and individuals, we cannot write history. Of these four components, place is related to geography or geographical condition. In this sense, history and geography are inseparable. Inseparable means what? They are related to each other. It is not separated. History is influenced by geographical condition in many ways. Influence means what? परिणाम करणारे. See here picture, that in this picture they shown us that different kinds of houses. Our diet, clothing, housing, occupation, in fact all human life in any region depends to a large extent on its geographical characteristic. For example, the life of the people in hilly region is more strenuous than that of the people on the plains. Means strenuous means what? Hard. म्हणजेच काय तर डोंगराळ प्रदेशात राहणाऱ्या लोकांचे जीवन हे सुपीक प्रदेशात राहणाऱ्या लोकांपेक्षा कष्टाचे असते. Not much fertile land is available in the hilly region, while in the plains it is available on a large scale. That is why grains and vegetables are scarce in hilly areas. Scarce means what? There is shortage, म्हणजे कमी प्रमाणात. म्हणजे डोंगराळ भागामध्ये तृणधान्य आणि भाजीपाला हा कमी प्रमाणात आढळून येतो. इन कंपॅरिझन पीपल ऑन द प्लेन्स गेट देम in a sufficient measure. Naturally, this has an impact on the diet of the people. आणि त्याचा इम्पॅक्ट म्हणजे परिणाम हा लोकांच्या डाएटवर आहारावर दिसून येतो. इन हिली रिजन पीपल डिपेंड मोर ऑन हंटिंग अँड गॅदरिंग फॉर देअर फूड. We also find other such differences in the lifestyle of the people of the hilly regions and those of the plains. The climate, rainfall, agricultural produce, flora and fauna of the region where we live are the sources of our livelihood. Here flora means plants and fauna means animals. The lifestyle and culture of a region develop with their support. Human settlement have flourished wherever the means of living are plentiful over a period of time. Generally, human settlement have flourished wherever the means of living are plentiful. Over a period of time, this settlement developed further into villages and towns. But sometimes regions like the degradation of the environment, drought, invasions lead to the scarcity of those means. People are forced to leave their settlements, villages and towns become deserted. We see many such instances in history. Thus, we see that there is a very close relation between history and geography. आपण ज्या ठिकाणी राहतो त्या प्रदेशातील हवामान, पर्जन्यमान, त्याचबरोबर आपल्याला आपल्या शेतीतून मिळणारं पीक, वनस्पती आणि प्राणी इत्यादी गोष्टी ज्या आहेत त्या आपल्या जगण्याची साधनं असतात. त्यांच्या आधारानेच त्या प्रदेशातील जीवन पद्धती आणि संस्कृती विकसित होत असते. जगण्याच्या साधनांची मुबलकता ज्या ठिकाणी असते त्या ठिकाणी मानवी समाज हा दीर्घकाळ वस्ती करून राहत असतो. कालांतराने या वस्त्यांचेच रूपांतर गाव, त्याचबरोबर गावातल्या वसाहती आणि नगर यात होत असतो. पर्यावरणाचा ऱ्हास, दुष्काळ, आक्रमणे किंवा इतर कारणामुळे जगण्याच्या साधनांची कमतरता भासू लागली की लोकांना गाव सोडून जाणे भाग पडते आणि अशा तऱ्हेने ही गावच्या गावं उजाड होतात. अशा पद्धतीनं अनेक घडामोडी ह्या इतिहासात घडलेल्या असतात. सो लाईक दिस वे देर इज व्हेरी क्लोज रिलेशन बिटवीन हिस्ट्री and geography.